A complete understanding of every aspect of your logistics operation is key to remaining competitive. But with so many moving pieces, it can be difficult to determine what to track, who should track it, and how they should act on this information. With WAMAS Lighthouse, SSI Schaefer turns the mystery of your operational processes into clarity. It's a scalable web application that works everywhere and even has a mobile app to deliver the data you need in real time. Lighthouse makes it easy for team members to find data that's relevant to them and use it to drive operational success. Lighthouse does this by pairing cutting-edge supervisory control and data acquisition architecture with a unique visualization system. This visualization structure begins with the topographical view of the entire system. Starting from a bird's-eye perspective, WAMAS Lighthouse channels information with a continuous zoom format that's easy to view. As the zoom level increases, more details emerge, revealing every aspect and technical mechanic of each process, including third-party information. And as Lighthouse gathers more metadata, users can continue to drill down further into each component level. Select a component and key data elements are revealed. Information like drive state, congestion rate, loading units, or component-specific diagrams. This means you can peer into every system process and even prevent slowdowns by attacking potential bottlenecks. In addition to granular detail, Lighthouse also provides an abstract presentation that enables a clear view of the material flow and its possible imperfections. This creates an informative hub that helps you make decisions that maximize the potential of your intralogistics system. WAMAS Lighthouse gathers information within the material flow and processing system and flags any changes to key performance indicators. This ensures that any potential service or maintenance issues are caught in early stages, so preventive steps can be taken before problems occur. For example, imagine that a key piece of machinery is underperforming. Data like this can be linked as appropriate for and made available to specific user profiles. These users receive the data as easy-to-read displays within their customizable dashboards, including information like ideal preventative maintenance windows and links to relevant maintenance guidelines, so users can easily access all of the information required for action. Being able to perform targeted maintenance on equipment in this way, before problems occur, not only slows bottlenecks and maintains consistent levels of quality, it also improves the life cycle of the equipment. In addition to quick access to maintenance, performance, and operational data, users can even access historical data to create benchmarking reports. And Lighthouse is easy to integrate. Lighthouse uses secure interface technology to easily aggregate and integrate all elements within the facility, even up through the ERP ecosystem, giving users a connected, holistic view. The server is platform-independent, resource-efficient, and runs on a variety of operating systems. Lighthouse is the ultimate data collection, integration, and visualization tool, which means staff always have the right information to make the right decisions at the right time. Contact us to find out more about WAMAS Lighthouse and the other offerings in the WAMAS software suite.